clean the skin with alcohol. And now spray the large skull, but not the lower part. It's all black. Leave the eye socket free again. The nose can be black. So, add the missing part with the same stencil. Spray the small skull in the lower corner of the large one. And leave out the lower part here too. So, all black. And add the missing part with the same stencil. Make a mandala underneath the two skulls and connect them together. You can use any mandala you like. Again with a negative stencil and only the inner edge. Now create a base with a second negative stencil. Just like you want. And use the same stencil to attach a moon to the side of the upper skull. Spray the edge in black and a few shaders over it with the corresponding part, like this. Now fill the mandala with the blue up to the base. So, like this, here a bit. And shade the skulls in some places with the same color. Only a bit. The little one too. Here, so, like this. Fill the base with green paint all around. It's a little wet. And spray light shades on the blue and on the skulls. Then it's a very beautiful color. And now you have to dry it with powder. It's a little much. So now use the topaz stencil to attach some elements to the lower mandala. Oops, I took the wrong color. It should be black. Use the same stencil to spray some leaves all around the mandala. Some here, one here, on the other side. So here, hope you can see it. Now you can see the other side. So spray the wolf from the negative stencil onto the green floor. Very dark. Or black. And now do small trees everywhere. Of course, you can also use the fear trees from the negative stencil, or other ones. Some of the big skull. And some here. Of course, if you have time, you can do so many more. Here. All very black. Only spray the trees behind the wolf very lightly. It will then look as if they are further away. Do you see it? Make here all black on the little skull. It's enough here. Can you see it all around? And now fill the eye socket with blue. A little one, two. And turn the skull upside down again and create the row of teeth on your skull. Now shade again on the big skull, a little here, under the nose, here on the side. Of course, if you have time, you can do so much more, but we want it very quick. So here on the little one, but please do some shadows all around a little bit here. Without shadows, it looks not nice. So fill the leaves on the mandala with green paint. Here on the other side, you can't see. And you can use topaz stencil to spray a small moon in black onto the blue area. And shade it with white paint. Like this. If you like, you can spray the upper background with blue paint. Blue all around. only a little. So, and dry everything with powder again. Oh, it's a little much, but it doesn't matter. Use the frisbee stencil to add some bats on the blue areas. Some here, like you want. Only on the blue. Here in and on the other side. And with this La Dot tattoo pen, add some highlights, like stars, only on the blue. Of course, you can spray white stars, little stars, with your gun, just like you want. I would show you the tattoo pen. So on this side, and of course dry it with powder again. I use a lot of it here, so I wipe it off with a little water. So you can see the colors. And remove the excess paint again with alcohol.